Alright, hey guys, David from Team 5557. I'm the head programmer this year. So today I'm going to make a quick intro video on how to set up your development environment for the FRC 2019 build season on a Mac. So the process is a little different for Windows, but you should be able to follow along. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the WPILib site. It's pretty easy. You just search up WPILib, or if I can spell, and then you just click the first one that pops up. Okay, once you're here, we're going to click on FRC Java programming because this tutorial is for the Java programming language. And then you're going to want to click the first step, installing C++ and Java development tools for FRC. Okay, then click Mac OS. And then first thing you're going to want to do is head over to this link right here, code.visualstudio.com, and download Visual Studio Code. What this is a really popular text editor where you're able to write all your code with syntax highlighting, and you'll be able to download the code straight onto your robot. Okay, cool. Once you have that installed, you're going to want to head over to the next step and click this link. So what this is the download file for the WPILib suite. So you just scroll down until you see the files. And then we're going to click the Mac version. I already have it installed, so I won't reinstall it, but there it is. Okay, once you have that installed, it's actually pretty easy to set up. So if you head over to downloads, or if I head over to downloads to find out where I put it. Okay, so once you find the file where you downloaded it, you just double click and it'll unzip into a folder. It'll be titled a little differently, but what you're going to want to do is open it, make sure you have all of these folders. Okay? What you want to do next is open terminal, and you're going to want to change directory to where you downloaded this. So if you type in cd space /, what this does is accesses your root directory, and then from there you just go to wherever you downloaded it. So I downloaded it in my documents folder, so I type documents, and if you hit tab, it'll actually autocomplete to whatever folder you're trying to get to. So I click, hit documents, then I do FRC downloads, there we go. And then I type in WPILib, because that's the name of the folder right here. Okay, next step is you're gonna wanna open this tools folder. So you do cd tools. And then what you're gonna wanna do is, if you open the tools folder, I actually already did this, but if you open the tools, you'll see a Python file right here called tools updater. What we're gonna wanna do is run that file. So if you haven't already, go ahead and install Python. It's pretty easy, there's a ton of tutorials online. And then from there, you're gonna wanna type in Python, and then I'm on version 3.6, so I'll do Python 3.6 space tools updater.py. There we go, so hit tab, autocomplete, and if you hit enter, what you'll see happen is this whole folder will be populated with all these files. So then from there, you're pretty much done with terminal, so you can go ahead and close it. And yeah, next step is to go ahead and open Visual Studio Code. So I have it right here, open. From there, you're gonna wanna click this little extensions button. So it's like the square with the corner that's kind of off. So you click that, and then you're gonna wanna click the three dots at the top right of that bar, and then install from VSIX. Okay, so from there, you're gonna wanna go to wherever you installed it. So I put documents, FRC downloads, WPILib, and you're gonna wanna open the VS Code extensions folder. And then from there, individually select each one and click install. So for example, I'll do WPILib install, and then it'll start installing, and you'll have to reload it. You can just reload after you install all of them. And yeah, so just do the same thing. Three dots, install from VSIX, install the next one until you have all 5. If you want, you can skip the CPP one, but I would install it just in case. Better safe than sorry. Right, okay. From there, you're pretty much set with VS Code for now. Then you're gonna wanna go back to the folder you downloaded, and then you ran the Python script in, and then you're gonna wanna rename it to FRC 2019, all lowercase. Okay, so once that's renamed, you're gonna wanna open a new Finder window. I like to do this manually over using terminal because it's a little easier for me to visualize. So once you open this new Finder window, click go to folder, and then just type in a tilde. So just like that, and enter. And then from there, what you're gonna wanna do is literally just drag the folder, onto here. And then I already have it there, so I'm not going to replace it, but you get the point. It'll automatically go there. Okay? And then, yeah, so once you go back here to VS Code, you should be able to do this, which is Command-Shift-P. That'll open a little search bar where you type in the right arrow if it's not already there. And then type in set VS Code, and it should autocomplete to set VS Code Java Home to FRC Home. Click on that, and you should see successfully set java.home. Okay, well that's it for this intro video. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, awesome.